The sound that we are going to practice in this video is the sound mo. Repeat after me. Mo. Mo. Mo in memory. Again, memory. Mental. Again, mental. Mind. Again, mind. More. Again, more. Many. Again, many. Mock. Again, mock. Mesmerize. Again, mesmerize. Mage. Again, mage. Mural. Again, mural. What other words have the initial sound of mo? Mo in tomato. Again, tomato. Plumber. Again, plumber. Camera. Again, camera. Family. Again, family. Chimney. Again, chimney. Drummer. Again, drummer. What other word have the middle sound of mo? Mo in gym. Again, gym. Fame. Again, fame. Time. Again, time. Lame. Again, lame. Shame. Again, shame. Team. Again, team. Rim. Again, rim. Dim. Again, dim. Cream. Again, cream. What other words have the final sound mo? Now, let's practice phrases with this sound. Are you ready? With sweet memories. Again, with sweet memories. About fame. Again, about fame. Time ticking. Again, time ticking. A talented drummer. Again, a talented drummer. You mesmerize. Again, you mesmerize. Now, let's practice sentences with this sound. Repeat after me. Ready? My band have a very talented drummer. Again, my band have a very talented drummer. I want to make happy memories with you. Again, I want to make happy memories with you. They made them human shield. Again, they made them human shield. They did it all because of fame. Again, they did it all because of fame. Take away the creamer. Again, take away the creamer. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound mo. 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 Hope you enjoyed and goodbye.